Hello everybody and welcome to iJapan number 3. I had good response to number 2 and I thank you all for going over and looking at my answers. I tried something a little different, doing a little combo English-Japanese translation, and I didn't get as many video responses this time, but hopefully you guys are still enjoying these videos, and here comes the next one. So this time I'm going to do a little bit of a lesson, and hopefully with the ability to add subtitles on the screen here, it will be somewhat clear. If I have some time at the end, I'll throw in some questions, but I might just hold them back and have number 4 just be another round of questions. So this time I want to talk about giving and receiving verbs, because these gave me a little bit of trouble when I was studying this part of Japanese. So I think most of you are probably familiar with ageru. Ageru is to give. So today I'm going to talk a bit more about morau, M-O-R-A-U. And it really means to get or receive. And it's good to be able to use them properly, ageru and morau, and know the difference when you hear them as well in spoken conversation. So our basic sentence pattern is A is given C by B. So A is a person, B is a person, and C is the thing. Okay? A is given C by B. Okay? So in Japanese, the way you would structure that sentence is A wa B ni C o morau. Okay, and then you would conjugate it as you need to. So you could also use kara. Okay, e wa ni kara si o morau. Okay, so for example, I was given a vase by my friend. Okay, I was given a vase, something to hold flowers, by my friend. Watashi wa tomodachi ni kabin o moraimashita. Okay? So you're going to use the past tense, mashita, and you could also, I was given a vase from my friend is another example in my book here. I don't think we would say that very often in casual English, but you would just, insert kara for ni. Watashi wa tomodachi kara kabin o moraimashita. Okay? So, basically, this means that the mono, the thing, was transferred from the tomodachi to the watashi, to me. Okay? So, basically, the verb is morau. The receiver, the A person, is you, the speaker, I, or someone other than I. It doesn't have to be you. And the giver, the B person, is someone other than me. Okay? You're just not the giver if you're saying the sentence. If you're giving something, for instance, I gave Ms. Takahashi a pen, you're going to use ageru. Watashi wa Takahashi-san ni pen o agemashita. Okay? I gave Mrs. Takahashi a pen. Agemashita. Okay? You wouldn't use morau in that sense. But if, it gives you one exception in here, if A and B, the A person and the B person are relatives and say, or equals in a situation, say at work or something, they're two teachers, or it's your siblings, then you can use morau. So the example they give is, my younger brother was given a baseball bat by my older sister. Okay? So, ototo wa ane ni battu o moraimashita. That's fine. Okay? So, my brother got a bat. My brother got a bat from my older sister. Okay, was given. So this is, this goes back to passive and active voice. To give, ageru, and was given, morau. So there's different instances when you use both. Let's give you one more example. The other thing that they go into is keigo. And now I'm probably in these lessons not going to talk a lot about that. Because boy, that's a whole nother layer of confusion when you're first learning Japanese. But you will hear certain keigo a lot. Especially when you're at restaurants and in stores and in certain formal situations at school. So, you just have to start to be aware of them. So in this instance, if when B, the B person in this A is given C by B scenario, if the B person is your superior, okay, then you don't usually use morau. You're going to use the more formal itadaku, Itadaku, and you're gonna, the common thing that you're gonna hear with that word is itadakimasu, which is what you say before you begin to eat. Or Japanese people will say that. I always found it a little weird when Gaijin adopted that very Japanese type of manner or character. No, not character trait. What am I trying to say? I can't speak English. But anyway, you would go to jet functions though, and maybe half the jets, if you were in a big lunch hall or something, would sit there and go itadakimasu and then start to eat. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just like, I don't know. It just was weird to me. So this is my question: if you're in Japan now and you're around Japanese people, do you say itadakimasu before you eat? Now, obviously, if you're like Risu Miso or Victor or Hiko Simon, and you're married to a Japanese person, maybe you do adopt it. But anyway, I would be interested to know. Okay, so finally, I was given a letter by Mr. Honda, and we'll just say Mr. Honda is a teacher who's your senior, okay? Or maybe your professor at school or something. So, watashi wa Honda sensei ni tegami o itadakimashita. Okay? So, again, it's the sentence pattern is A, wa, B, ni, C, o, maraimashita. Okay, that's the basic sentence pattern we're here when we're talking about giving and receiving verbs. Okay, so watashi wa Honda sensei ni tegami o itadakimashita. Okay, I was given a letter by Mr. Honda. Okay, so I guess if you want to do a video response to this, I'll give you a few here just at the very end. I was given a vase by my friend. I told you how to say that earlier. How would you say, I gave a vase to my friend? How would you say, I was given a pen by Ms. Takahashi? Okay. And how would you say, I gave a letter to Mr. Honda? Okay, we'll just reverse some of the situations there, and you can flex your ageru morau. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and not so many video responses probably for this one, but I will come back with number 4 fairly soon. I took a little bit of a gap, and that one will have a response element to it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.